The Earth, a sphere of vibrant life, constantly churns with a volatile and ever-changing atmosphere. From the swirling vortex of a hurricane to the silent grace of a snowflake, the Earth's weather is a never-ending source of fascination. Join me as we journey across the globe to investigate some of the most bizarre, awe-inspiring, and downright baffling weather events ever recorded. Events so peculiar, they might make you question if you were truly witnessing the familiar skies above. The heavens have long been a source of wonder and at times bewilderment. From ancient myths to modern science, the sky has always held a special place in human imagination. We gaze upwards, seeking answers to the mysteries of the universe, and sometimes we are met with phenomena that defy explanation. But imagine looking out your window to witness not rain, but a cascade of fish falling from the sky. This isn't a scene from a fantasy novel or a surreal painting. It's a real event that has left many in awe and disbelief. This documented phenomenon, known as animal rain, is most famously observed in Honduras, where locals witness the baffling spectacle of lluvia de peces, the rain of fish. Occurring several times a year, this event has become a part of local folklore and tradition, with villagers eagerly anticipating the next shower of aquatic visitors. Waterspouts, whirling columns of water connecting sea and sky, could be responsible for scooping up fish and depositing them inland. These natural tornadoes over water are powerful enough to lift small marine life from their habitats and carry them over great distances before releasing them over land. However, skeptics point out that waterspouts are rare, and the fish found are often of a single species. This raises questions about the true cause of the phenomenon. Some suggest that the fish might be part of a migratory pattern disrupted by unusual weather conditions, while others believe it could be a result of underground water sources pushing the fish to the surface during heavy rains. Whatever the true cause, the rain of fish in Honduras remains a testament to the baffling and often unexplained wonders our planet is capable of producing. It serves as a reminder that despite our advancements in science and technology, there are still many mysteries in nature that elude our understanding. The rain of fish continues to captivate and intrigue, inviting us to keep exploring the unknown. Imagine awakening to a sky not blue, but a disconcerting blood-red hue, with rain falling in crimson sheets. The sight is both mesmerizing and terrifying, as if nature itself is bleeding. This unsettling scene unfolded in Kerala, India in 2001, sparking widespread panic and speculation. People were bewildered and frightened, unsure of what this phenomenon meant. Theories ranged from extraterrestrial origins to industrial pollution. Some believed it was a sign of an impending apocalypse, while others thought it was a government experiment gone wrong. Scientists, however, found the culprit to be microscopic spores of algae from the genus Trentipolia. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, had somehow made their way into the atmosphere. These airborne algae, common in tropical regions, can bloom in massive quantities, creating dense clouds of spores that can travel great distances. Their spores, carried aloft by wind currents, can be transported over vast areas, sometimes even crossing continents. When rain falls through these dense clouds of spores, it washes them down to Earth, creating the illusion of blood raining from the sky. This rare and eerie phenomenon serves as a reminder of the many mysteries our planet still holds. In 1669, the Italian town of Calabria experienced a crimson downpour, seemingly stained with blood. This chilling event, recorded in historical accounts, instilled terror and sparked speculation about divine wrath. Recent scientific investigations suggest Saharan dust as a possible culprit. Powerful winds from the Sahara Desert can carry vast plumes of reddish dust across the Mediterranean Sea. A particularly intense dust storm, coinciding with rainfall over Calabria, could have created the illusion of blood rain. The dust, laden with iron oxides, would have stained the rainwater a deep red, creating a spectacle both terrifying and awe-inspiring. The Great Plains Dust Bowl, a symphony of despair. The American Great Plains, once a sea of swaying grasslands, transformed into a desolate wasteland during the 1930s. This period, known as the Dust Bowl, was a time of unprecedented environmental disaster and human suffering. Imagine a black blizzard, a swirling vortex of dust so thick it blots out the sun. These storms, known as black blizzards, could last for days, turning day into night and making breathing nearly impossible. Years of unsustainable farming practices, coupled with a severe drought, left the topsoil bare and vulnerable. Farmers, in their quest to cultivate more land, had plowed up the native grasses that once held the soil in place. The once fertile fields transformed into a swirling maelstrom of dust, engulfing entire towns and cities. The dust storms were so severe that they reached as far as the East Coast, darkening skies in New York and Washington. DC respiratory illnesses skyrocketed, crops failed, and families were forced to flee their homes. Many became migrants, traveling west in search of work and a better life, only to find more hardship and uncertainty. The Dust Bowl stands as a stark testament to the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems and the devastating consequences of disrupting nature's delicate equilibrium. It serves as a reminder of the importance of sustainable farming practices and the need to respect and protect our environment for future generations. The fire rain of 2017, when wildfires took to the skies. In 2017, wildfires raged across California, fueled by dry conditions and scorching winds. A terrifying new phenomenon emerged: fire rain, a chilling testament to the destructive power of firestorms. Pyrocumulonimbus clouds, towering columns of smoke and ash, generate their own weather patterns. These clouds unleash a torrent of fiery debris, embers, and even burning branches, carried aloft by powerful updrafts. The phenomenon of fire rain highlights the complex and often unpredictable interactions between fire and weather. The fog rain of Japan, a veil of mystery. In Japan, a peculiar meteorological phenomenon unfolds. Fog rain, a subtle yet captivating display of nature's artistry. A dense blanket of fog, laden with moisture, encounters the cool air of the mountains. This encounter forces the water vapor in the fog to condense, forming tiny droplets that cling to leaves and branches. These droplets, too heavy to remain suspended, begin to drip, creating a gentle rain that falls from the fog-laden air itself. Fog rain highlights the crucial role fog plays in water cycles, particularly in mountainous regions. The reverse rain of Germany, defying gravity's grip. In a small German village, witnesses observed a meteorological marvel: reverse rain. Instead of falling from the sky, raindrops appeared to rise from the ground. Powerful updrafts within storm clouds can be so strong that they overwhelm the downward force of gravity acting on raindrops. As a result, raindrops are caught in these upward currents and lifted back towards the clouds. Reverse rain serves as a captivating reminder of the complex forces at play within our planet's atmosphere. The ice tornadoes of the Arctic frozen fury. In the Arctic, a mesmerizing and potentially perilous phenomenon unfolds: ice tornadoes. Ice tornadoes, also known as snow devils, form when extremely cold air encounters a warmer surface. This temperature difference creates instability, triggering the formation of a rotating column of air. As this column draws in surrounding air, it picks up loose ice crystals and snow, creating a visible vortex. Ice tornadoes serve as a reminder of the powerful forces at play in Earth's cryosphere. The fire whirls of Australia. Inferno in the Outback. In Australia, fire whirls, fiery tornadoes, dance across the outback during wildfires. Fire whirls form when intense heat from wildfires combines with swirling winds. The rising heat creates an updraft, drawing in surrounding air, which begins to rotate. This rotating column of air, fueled by intense heat, transforms into a whirling vortex of fire. Fire whirls are a force to be reckoned with, capable of spreading wildfires far beyond their initial boundaries. From fish raining down from the sky to tornadoes of ice and fire, we've witnessed just a glimpse of the astonishing array of weather phenomena our planet is capable of producing. These events serve as a constant reminder that for all our scientific advancements, nature still holds many mysteries. The stories we've explored are windows into the complex systems that govern our planet's climate and weather. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our incredible planet.